This year, we doubled down on collaborative innovation to make better batteries in America, across partnerships, across campuses, and across teams.
Across engineering, manufacturing, supply chain, R&D, and everyone supporting them, building faster, smarter, together.
We had big wins this year, new customers, strong growth, and a successful launch of Badland Batteries. We are securing an NDAA-compliant, American-made battery supply chain. This momentum is driving more equipment on the floor, boosting throughput, and delivering higher yields.
We delivered batteries to a wide range of customer requirements, and in some cases, on larger platforms, our power testing is validating real-world performance of 65 to 80 kilowatts, or up to 107 horsepower.
Incredible. That's the average power consumption of 64 homes.
We explored new sample cells and chemistries, optimizing formulations, energy and power density, and thermal performance.
Those results matter. By ensuring reliability and NDAA compliance, we reduced risks to our customers. We turned insights into shippable improvements, delivering quality and reliability that power your mission. None of this happens without our team.
Your grit, your curiosity, that's our competitive edge.
We're rolling into next year with momentum, scaling production, and expanding the team, building what matters to America's security. Thank you for an incredible year. Here's to building what matters.